Hey guys, ZipZap here. I am in San Diego with Michelson Yachts. This is Sam from Michelson.
How's it going, guys?
And I came out here. I need some more energy. Some more energy, yeah. Hey guys, ZipZap here, and I'm in San Diego with Sam from Michelson Yachts.
What up, YouTube?
We took out your Michelson 57 Gen 2 back there and the 43 Gen 2 as well, right?
Busting out all the stops. When ZipZapPOWER calls you, you break out every boat you got.
So I found Michelson Yachts when I was in Newport Beach filming last year for the Huntington Beach Air Show. And I was like, oh, hey, that's a cool boat. And I was doing research and I found Michelson and I found your YouTube channel, which is spectacular.
Thank you.
It is not your typical corporate, I'm building a boat and we are the best and this is how good it is and this is our corporate motto. It's not like that. They have some of that. You actually do have some of that. So,
yeah.
But it's mostly a vlog of you and your girlfriend Erin who go out and you live this Southern California lifestyle.
We are very fortunate to have access to these beautiful brand new Michelsons. So we go out there, we try and make cool videos to get you guys excited about boating and coming down to check out our brand new Michelsons, you guys. So
he did a vlog of our little trip the other day and it's spectacular. We had some fun. We had a little drone fun, right?
It was wild. We lost a drone. We almost lost some fingers. We had a great time. Memories were made. Hopefully it's going to be a great vlog. It's out there now. Go check it out, you guys. Yeah, so at the end of this video, I'll put a link to their channel and a link to the vlogs. And let's actually, what I wanted to do here is actually go on board the 57 and show you a little bit of the boat. It's not going to be one of those, hey, this is a tour. It's going to be just some of the things that I thought was cool and I wanted him to explain to you as well what it meant because I had some questions. So awesome. We're going to go on board the 57 right now. Come on. So we're on the Flybridge of the 57 and it has a feature, I mean, I know it's not really unique to a lot of boats, but I love that there's a zippered enclosure. It's nice and calm and quiet in here. I am not a fan of wind. You can't beat it, especially on the West Coast where there's only 3, maybe 4 months out of the year where it's warm enough to actually be in the wind and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's a lot different. So being able to have this full enclosure, night watches, anything like that, you're warm up here. Right. You're not in the elements. It's keeping all of your dash and your electronics really nice. So
yeah, cool. The other thing was the aft helm.
You can't beat it.
Oh no, you cannot beat that, especially when you're trying to back down on a drone that is not responding to controls.
Yes, yes. Flying the drone, a lot of times operator error, so it's awesome to be able to have the aft station, be able to fully see over the cockpit down there if you're backing down on a fish, pulling into the slip, doing anything like that. And then the forward station's nice. You're up Pacific Northwest, something like that, where there's logs in the water you need to see really well.
Logs?
Yeah, exposed logs, Pacific Northwest, that's a huge thing.
Now, is it finders keepers with those logs? Can you like latch up to them and take them home?
The logs are one of the scariest things in the Pacific Northwest, and if you're from the Pacific Northwest, you know this, but it's the first thing that'll hit your propeller, it'll hit your shaft, it'll hit your
Really?
rudder.
So they're not soft like manatees?
No, they're not soft like manatees, and they're right on the crisp of the water, so you can barely see them. So being able to have this forward station, be able to see over the bow really well, huge key feature.
Oh, that's cool. All right, cool. All right, so now we're going to go down to the cockpit. I'm going to show you the engine bay.
Awesome.
We're in the cockpit of the 57 Gen 2, and one of the things that I thought was different when we were on board was the engines are in the back.
Got to have the engines in the back.
Now, why is that? Because most Sportfishers, they're kind of in the middle, right?
They're in the undersalon. So the advantages of having your engine under the cockpit versus in the undersalon, all the heat, the noise, the smell, all that stuff, you're keeping that outside.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Now, this is kind of a sport fisher, right? Or it's not a dedicated sport fisher? Like it's for the Southern California, going to Catalina kind of fun stuff and catch your fish on the way?
Exactly.
Because you're sitting in a giant kill box.
Exactly. I am sitting in a giant kill box that is hooked up to a 600 pound per day Eskimo ice machine underneath it. So you flip a breaker, it starts pumping ice.
So you're desalinating and then making ice?
Exactly. So we have an 800 gallon per day water maker on this boat.
Right.
So you can make all the water that you want. But Michelson is really all about family boating. So down here in Southern California, we're putting the railing up on the side of our boat. We're going to do a dinghy and a davit.
I love the
bow
railing.
of it.
I love the. Hold on, let me stop you there. I love the railing. I know you look cool in your boat without the railings. I know you want to be like slick, like taking the reflectors off your little bicycle. But the railings, I like them. I like the railings because I almost fell overboard.
Yeah, so. They'll save your day. Hey, and safety always looks good, you guys.
Yeah, I love it. So this is the cockpit. Let's go inside real quick and show you a couple things. One of them is a pretty cool window. All right, guys, we are in the salon of the 57, and the first thing that struck me when I got on board was this window. He dropped the window for me, and that's kind of different. I haven't really seen that on any other boats.
It's a definite head turner. This is the first time that we've ever done one on a Generation 2 Michelson 57, but we have done one on a 50 before, but definitely at boat shows, anything like that, people love it. And it's just like a car window. There's just an up and down button. It could not be any simpler.
Oh, cool.
We're super happy with it.
Yeah, and full-size refrigerator, which was nice.
This is the wife cellar right here. So on a lot of our competitors, you get on board and it's only drawer refrigerators. Drawer refrigerators are great, don't get me wrong, but how can you beat a full-size refrigerator?
Right, yeah, and you were getting me drinks out of this, so thank you very much.
Can't beat
Appreciate that.
Pass it through the window. I love it.
Yeah, cool. All right, so let's check out the rod lockers.
Let's do it.
So when you were giving me a tour earlier off camera, you hit the ceiling and dropped.
Boom, drop mic. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, right.
This is our rod locker storage on this beautiful Michelson 57. And no, it's not just one cabinet. It's 8 feet, goes all the way across. Not gonna be able to hold your 10-foot jig sticks,
right.
But anything 8 feet or smaller, you can fit a dozen of them up
So
here.
where are you gonna put the jig sticks?
Jig sticks are going in the undersalon for the most part.
All right, cool.
And that's another cool feature because our engines are in the back. So all this underneath me right now, storage.
So I wanted to keep this short, and the last thing I wanted to talk about was the staterooms, because the last time I slept on a boat was on the back of a walk-around Fisher, and it was not fun.
Yeah, this isn't your typical boys' bunk room setup. These are 3 really nice master staterooms that are all, you're gonna love it, your wife's gonna love it, but we have 3 full queen-size beds as well as 2 additional flip-down twin-size beds. Right. And really cool on the flip-down, we have 2 55-inch TVs with LEDs that are colored behind it.
Guys, thanks for coming along on this little kind of tour thing of the boat. I appreciate Sam for letting me come out to San Diego and have a good time. We just recently hit 60,000 subscribers, which is kind of a major milestone, and you're at 100 and something now?
Yeah, 100 and something. So get that up. Let's go.
That's not 100 and something thousand.
No, that's 100 and something.
100 and something. So do me a favor, head over to his channel. You're gonna love the vlogs. They're fantastic. I enjoy watching them. It's one of the few channels that I actually watch on YouTube. I have like probably 10 channels that I watch.
You're too sweet. You give me too much credit.
And you're one of them. Yeah, I love them. Right. So I hope you enjoyed it. Take it easy, guys. We'll see you on the next one.